SWASpes was part of the Southwest African Territorial Force. History. The Southwest African Territorial Force Command identified an urgent need for horse-mounted and motorbike-mounted units and dogs for the operational areas. The conclusions reached was for a unit organization such as 202 Battalion to be adjusted so as to accommodate horse and dog units for operational use, and specifically, the urgent need for the acquisition of 2 platoons of mounted infantry. This included the furnishing of horses and equine-related equipment, as well as the training and appointing of a qualified platoon commanding officer, full-time veterinarian and farriers. The Equestrian Center became involved in the first purpose-built frontline horse and motorcycle mounted infantry base in the operational area. By 1978, SWASpes had diversified into the application of motorcycles, trackers and later the introduction of tracking and explosives detection dogs. SWASpes was among the first to combine conventional infantry forces on the ground with the skills of trackers, the abilities of dogs and the quick reaction abilities afforded by horses and motorcycle units. The equestrian platoons were detached to bases across the operational area, though the main equestrian unit in Southwest Africa was stationed at Ashevelo. SWASpes introduced a counterinsurgency, the application of the packhound, using dogs to track, run down, and corner quarry for infantry or mounted soldiers to interdict. These packs could keep a speed of 15 kilometers for over 4 hours, peaking at 30 kilometers for 15 minutes. Roll of Honor. Colling, H. Rifleman 1980. Baileveld, M. Rifleman 1984. Briggs, R.P. Corporal 1984. Brindle, R.O. Rifleman 1981. DeSeno Paul, Sergeant, 1977. Devereaux, S.V.P. Rifleman, 1977. Jordan, HKWRN 1981. Mostert, A.D. Lance Corporal 1983. Roos, D.N. Corporal 1979. Mostert, E.C. Rifleman 1983. Ross, T.A. Rifleman, 1983. Venter, P.J.W.R.N., 1981. Swanepoel, P. Lance Corporal 1981. See also: Namibian War of Independence, South African Border War. References: Snyman, P.H.R., 1989. Beeld van die SWA Gebiedesmag. Archived from the original on 2014-11-07. Further reading: Helmut Romer Heitmann, author, Paul Hannon, illustrator, Modern African Wars, 3, Southwest Africa, Men-at-Arms Series, 242, Osprey Publishing, November 28, 1991, ISBN 1-85532-122-X.